it's Maggie, Just Enough Eyes. Today I wanted to show you how I've been creating my brow looks more recently. Looking back, a lot of us, we were going for a very heavy gel, very opaque brow look for so many years. That's kind of what the trend was. And as years have gone by, we've gone for more of a natural brow, more using pencils and clear brow gels. So that's what I'm going to be showing you today. I use two different pencils with different styles to them, and then two different brow gels. I did different techniques on both my brows today to show you those. So for the first brow, I'm going to show you the MAC Veluxe brow liner in Deep Brunette. So this is one that I use sometimes. It's a slightly warmer brown. So it kind of depends what look I'm going for. So on the one end, you do get a spoolie. So I just go through and put my brows in place, make sure there's not too much foundation or powder in the brows either. I just tweeze my brows myself all the time. Usually I just remove the whole like bottom area and around the top. So once I've got it groomed and in place, I go in with the pencil. I like to do smaller strokes and keep the pressure pretty light so that I don't have a blocked in brow. I still want it to look pretty natural. I just slowly work my way through. And then the trick after applying is to go back in with the spoolie and remove any excess, because that does look pretty deep compared to what I usually do. I even take my finger sometimes on that inner part to remove a bit of the excess product. And then just brushing through, it's removing any excess off the skin, which leaves it with a much more natural look. So that's the first side with the pencil. And I'm actually going to show you with a colored brow gel on top. So I like using the Annabelle Brow Fiber Gel. So this is like a brown mascara with a small wand on it. Perfect for coloring the brows. So I like to use it with this pencil in that it's a little bit red toned, and this will help cool it down, give it a little bit of a darker look, and it dries nice and matte. So that's what that one looks like with the pencil and the colored brow gel. For the other side, I'm going to show you the MAC Eyebrow Styler in Spiked. So this is a really thin pencil that MAC makes. Same thing, we're going to start with the spoolie. Go through, get the brows in order. And then taking the other side. This one is a twist up. So you're gonna get a really fine tip at all times. And this one, it is quite a bit darker on its own. So I go really light-handed with this. You can definitely wear this really deep if you push down on it, but I like to keep it more on the natural side. Years ago, it was all about the gels, the more opaque, the better. But especially as the years have gone by, more of the natural brow has come in, and I've been doing a lot more of that. And I just like to extend. So I give my brow a little lift near the end, and then pull it down. So same thing, light strokes, then going back in with the spoolie, brushing through, making sure there's not a spot with tons of product, and then a little bit with my finger through the front. And on this side, I'm going to show you using a clear brow gel. So one that I use sometimes is the MAC Brow Set, which just looks like your average kind of clear mascara. Another one that I've been really liking is from the brand Kosas. It's the Air Brow Clear Lifting Treatment Gel. So I'm going to show you this one. This one's from Sephora. So it's got a small brush on it as well. And I just like to take that through the brow. And this will also remove if there's too much on the skin of the pencil. So that is how I've been doing my brows more recently. Let me know what techniques you've used or any of your favorite brow products. I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you in my next one.